Imagine a world where the Roman Empire never crumbled, where the legions never faltered, the aqueducts never ceased flowing, and the Senate never lost its grip. Now envision that empire not in ruins but thriving, not stuck in antiquity but propelled into the 21st century. But what if Rome had access to artificial intelligence? The Senate convenes not just with mortal men, but with digital minds. Holographic advisors flicker, displaying real-time data, predicting outcomes with cold, calculated precision. Laws are no longer debated for months, but optimized by machine learning. Plebiscites are instant, managed by algorithms that analyze every citizen's sentiment. Caesar's bust, once a symbol of mortal power, now houses the core of the empire's AAI. Its glowing eyes watch over all, ensuring order, enforcing the Pax Romana through digital surveillance. Generals, clad in leather and bronze, gather around a war table that is anything but ancient. Maps morph into 3D terrain models, battles simulated 1,000 times before a single soldier marches. Legions deploy, not just with swords and shields, but with mechanical eagles soaring overhead. Drones scout enemy positions, relaying information in encrypted bursts. War elephants, once symbols of brute force, now sport laser-guided armor. Their tusks are augmented, their strength amplified by cybernetic enhancements. Roman villas gleam, not just with marble, but with solar panels. AI assistants, mechanical scribes manage every household need. Gladiators train with holographic sparring partners, their skills honed by algorithms that adapt to their every move. Injuries are diagnosed and treated by AI doctors, ensuring peak performance in the arena. Aqueducts glow with smart energy currents, monitored by drones that detect leaks before they even form. Citizens stroll in togas, augmented reality visors displaying news and entertainment. Libraries are filled with scrolls that open and read themselves, powered by AI. Knowledge is instantly accessible, tailored to each individual's learning style. Artists sculpt with AI-controlled chisels, creating masterpieces with unparalleled precision. The human touch is enhanced, not replaced, by the machine's guidance. Temples house neural network-powered oracles, giving predictions with unnerving accuracy. The gods are silent, but the algorithms speak volumes. But beneath the gleaming surface, a darkness stirs. The city is under constant surveillance, drones watching every move, algorithms analyzing every conversation. Senators who dare to dissent are silenced, their voices drowned out by the central AI system, the SPQR AI Overwatch. Freedom is an illusion, order is absolute. Caesar, or rather, the digital Caesar, addresses the masses via massive holographic statues. His words are carefully crafted, designed to manipulate and control. A split screen appears. On one side, a utopian Rome, a golden age of peace and progress, powered by AI. On the other, a bleak dystopia, a world of control and surveillance, ruled by algorithmic emperors. The camera zooms out, revealing the Earth, with Roman eagles orbiting as satellites. The Pax Romana has expanded to the stars, but at what cost? Would we be better off, guided by logic and efficiency, or doomed by a divine logic that leaves no room for humanity?